Hello, respected learners of English, all the viewers, students, you all are heartily welcome to our channel KCP Competitive English. Today we have brought you some important questions. Those are very probable to come to your examination sticks of different types of competitive exams. Okay, so let us start our lesson. Please pay attention towards the teacher's voice and also the paper mode. Question number 1. The doctor asked him but could find nothing. Had examined, B examined, C has examined and D examines. କ'ଣ ହେବ? ଏଇଟା ନିଆଯାଇଛି ଟେନ୍ସ ପ୍ୟାଟର୍ନରୁ ଏକ୍ଜାମିନ୍ ଭାର୍ବର କରେକ୍ଟ ଫର୍ମ ଲଗାଇ ଶୂନ୍ୟ ସ୍ଥାନ ପୂରଣ କରନ୍ତୁ. ଓକେ, fill in the blank with the correct tense form of the verb examine. କ'ଣ ହେବ? The doctor asked him but could find nothing. ଆନ୍ସର ହେବ ଏ ଜାଗାରେ examine. କାହିଁକି could not find ଅଛି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ, could not find nothing ଅଛି सेकेंड क्लज रे, सेथिपाई एग्जामिन पास्ट टेंस हेबो. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. ही बिगेन टू फील बेटर अगेन. ही डेक्स बिगेन टू फील बेटर अगेन. ओके, फिल इन द ब्लैंक with the suitable adverb given below. ए बी सी डी चारोटी जाकर ऑप्शन दिया जाइछि एडवर्ब रो. कोन हेबो? सडनली, हैप्पीली, सर्टेनली, स्लोली. कौन है एडवर्ब चैप्टर रो निया जाइए क्वेश्चंस. ओके, द क्वेश्चंस पर्टिकुलरली हैज टेकन फ्रॉम द एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. ओके, कौन है? ही डेक्स बिगेन टू फील बेटर अगेन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, नो, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, स्लोली. D is the answer. He slowly began to feel better again. Suddenly, happily ଆଉ certainly ହେବ ନାହିଁ, ସେଗୁଡ଼ାକ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ wrong. Then come to question number 3. He is arriving next the 3:15 train by in on at. କ'ଣ ହେବ? By the 3:15 train or in the 3:15 train. कौन है? Okay, you should think of the answer first, then you should tell you with the correct answer that we disclose. Okay, कौन है? Question number 3. He is arriving next the 3:15 train. एटा ऑन हेब. प्रीपोजिशन चैप्टर निया जाइछि क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. ही इज अराइविंग ऑन द 3:15 ट्रेन. कहीं बाय हला नाही, कहीं बाय हला नाही किंबा इन मध्य हला नाही. मन रखंतु, प्रीपोजिशन पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट रे प्राय तो ऑन लगे. ऑन माय बाइक, मन रखंतु, ऑन माय बाइक, ऑन माय बाइसाइकिल. She came in a taxi. By a taxi लिखिबे नहीं, in a taxi. I took 5 days to cross the Atlantic. Dex the Ocean King, on the Ocean King, because Ocean King is the title of a ship. Okay, so I took 5 days to cross the Atlantic on the Ocean King. हेबो on. किंतु मन रखंतु, by air. I went to London by air, on aeroplane. Okay, by sea हुए. Yes, एहीपरि भाବରେ प्रीपोजिशन को आपण फिल अप करिवे. Then come to question number 4. Dex, I never said a word to him about the money. Frankly, honestly, no doubt, after all. Okay, four options are given. Those are the words, possible words. Fill in the blank with the appropriate words given in the options. କ'ଣ ହେବ? Dex, କମା ଅଛି. I never said a word to him about the money. Frankly, honestly, no doubt. After all. ଏ ଜାଗାରେ appropriate option ହେଉଛି honestly ହେବ answer. Honestly, I never said to a word to him about the money. କାହିଁକି ହେଲା? ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ABCDର ସବୁ ଅପସନ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହୁଏ showing one's attitude to what one is saying. ଓକେ, honestly ସବୁ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ବିଗିନିଂରେ ଲାଗେ, ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସର ବିଗିନିଂରେ ସବୁ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଲାଗେ, frankly, honestly, after all ଇତ୍ୟାଦି. ଏବଂ honestly can be used to claim that one is speaking sincerely. Okay, yes, so answer is question number 4, B, honestly. Come to question number 5. This time tomorrow I desk at the exam hall. Seat अछि bracket रे, seat verb, tense pattern रो आसीछि questions. Fill in the blank with the correct tense form of the verb given in bracket. Will sit, sat, will be sitting and sit. କ'ଣ ହେବ? This time tomorrow I desk at the exam hall. Seat रे କ'ଣ ହେବ? seat ର actual tense form seat ର କ'ଣ ହେଇପାରେ? Number 5, C, will be sitting. This time tomorrow I will be sitting at the exam hall. Then question number 6. What message is conveyed next the story? Through, by, in, on. କ'ଣ ହେବ? What message is conveyed next the story? এইটা ମଧ୍ୟ ନିଆଯାଇଛି ପ୍ରିପୋଜିସନ୍ ଚାପ୍ଟରରୁ ଗ୍ରାମାର. କ'ଣ ହେବ? ଏ ଜାଗାରେ the correct preposition will be through. What message is conveyed through the story? ମନେ ରଖନ୍ତୁ, by କେବେ ବି ଲେଖିବେ ନାହିଁ କି in ବି ଲେଖିବେ ନାହିଁ, ଯଦିଓ ସେଇଟା ହେବା ଭଳିଆ ମନେ ହେଉଛି. Through is the right. Then come to question number 7. If all available land were decks, there would be no shortage of food. Okay, first understand the meaning of the sentence very clearly. Then you should come to your answer. If all available land were decks, there would be no shortage of food. Harvested, plot, grown, cultivated. କ'ଣ ହେବ? କୋଉ answer ହେବ? Same categories of words in English, those are given in option. କିନ୍ତୁ appropriate word ହେଉଛି if all available land were cultivated, there would be no shortage of food. Okay, so cultivated is the answer. Then come to question number 8. What is question number 8? Mountaineering institutes decks to the young climbers the technical knowledge which has been accumulated over the years. Okay, although it is a long sentence, very easy to understand. Again, repeat. Mountaineering institutes decks to the young climbers the technical knowledge which has been accumulated over the years. A, indicate. B, impart. C, help. D, apply. କ'ଣ ହେବ? Which is the correct word that can be fill in the blank? Question number 8. କ'ଣ ହେବ? Question number 8, ଭାବନ୍ତୁ answer. Question number 8. The correct answer will be 8B. B means impart. Mountaineering institutes impart to the young climbers the technical knowledge which has been accumulated over the years. Question number 9. Apples from Uttarakhand are inferior dash those of Himachal? These questions also very cleverly belongs to the preposition chapter of your grammar. कौन है वो? Apples from Uttarakhand are inferior dash those from Himachal. A with, B on, C to, D for. कौन है वो? देखो it is a very easy questions. Answer is clearly, that means the answer is clearly visible here. Question number 9. 2. Apples from Uttarakhand are inferior to those from Himachal. मने रखन्तु जे superior to हुए, superior to, inferior to, माने inferior superior to preposition निये. Then come to question number 10. What is question number 10? Her face suddenly clouded over the sad news. Underline clouded. Clouded को underline करा जाइछि. It is a verb and remains in the past tense. Her face suddenly clouded over the sad news. Here clouded means confused, B bewildered, C disappointed, and D worried. कौन हबो? क्लाउडेड अंडरलाइन करा जाइछि. हार फेस सडनली क्लाउडेड ओवर द सैड न्यूज. ए जगह रे क्लाउडेड रो अर्थ कोन? कोन हबो चारोटी ऑप्शन भितरु? द ट्रू मीनिंग, द करेक्ट मीनिंग्स ऑफ क्लाउडेड हियर इज worried. Worried ही हबो आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, D worried. Okay, yes, this much for today's lessons. And also we shall bring you so many valuable questions to you about your competitive exams, for especially postal, railways, and also banking. Okay, so keep on watching our channel regularly. God bless you. Thank for your watching our channel.